Tell me.
My half of my face was like sliding down. That's how I felt it. And my arm, it was like frozen. And half of my was.
Are you still having another one? You about to have another one? Yeah, you are. You okay? You okay? You okay? You're okay. You're in the middle of one. Just relax your body, okay? It's a cluster. What the heck? You okay? Huh? Can you hold this up to you? No? You're okay. Relax. Relax. Can you time it? Time. Give me the time.
I'm just went numb on this side.
Relax. Relax. You okay?
No.
No? Let me get your brother's bottle real quick. Tell me if you're about to have another one. Okay, that's 2. No. I don't know. This is your second one in the morning, huh? All right, any more? Are you getting feeling? Huh?
Fine. I was about to have a seizure over there, but I tried to suck it back in.
You tried to suck in your seizure?
Yeah, like not really. I was about to have one over there, but I was trying to keep from holding, and then when I went back over there to the kitchen, it just started to happen, and then.
So you tried to stop it?
Just half of my body just went numb.
All the way to your feet, or just
my feet?
Your feet?
Yeah.
The whole part of your body?
And you know how when you usually when you stay on your arm and it usually
goes to sleep?
Yeah. And it's got that tingly feeling when you smack it on something?
Yeah.
That's how it felt.
How's your mouth feel?
Not really. It's a little bit numb.
It's numb because you're still talking funny. You alright?
Got mosquito bites on me. I'm hungry.
You want a bowl of cereal?
Can I have cinnamon toast?